we're going to be focusing more on how to approach hitting the instrument to get specific type of sounds. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are actually starting out a new series. So over the next several weeks we're going to be getting back to basics. That's why we got the broken down drum set here, and we're going to be focusing on drum sound. Now when a lot of people talk about drum sound, the conversation kind of circles around gear. You know, what size of drums to use, what material are they made of, what heads to pick, that type of stuff. That stuff's good, that's important, that has a big effect on your sound. But that's not where our conversation is going to go. We're going to be focusing more on how to approach hitting the instrument to get specific type of sounds. I truly believe that at the end of the day, it's you that's responsible for making the music, not the instrument. And you can actually have a lot of effect on, different types of gear just by changing up how you approach hitting it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take it drum by drum, and we'll go over kind of my general approach to get a basic sound, and then some ways to change it up depending on genre and stuff like that. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you guys join us, and I'll see you guys next week.